there's a formula here. And it is x plus y minus z equals symbiosis. All right? And the minus is the important part. And the minus is the hard part. Any idiot can add. Right? Any idiot can just stick stuff on. Any idiot can add 9,000 more steps to the process. Okay? It takes a genius to subtract. Okay? So, for example, restaurant plus automation plus drive-through window minus spaghetti, burritos, donuts, baked potatoes, steak, and carrots equals McDonald's. Okay? McDonald's is much more about what it's not than it actually is what it is. And the original McDonald's had 9 items on the menu.
Including soda.
Including soda, okay? All right, classified ads plus search engine plus bid auction. Let's stop right there. Classified ads plus search engine plus bid auction. That's a symbiogenesis of 3 things, right? Now, we take it for granted now, but it was a real stroke of genius for somebody to go, we need a very particular kind of auction so that the advertisers will be fairly competing with each other, right? And minus pictures and banner ads, which was what everybody else was doing back in, year 2000, equals Google AdWords. In this symbiogenesis, x plus y, or w plus x plus y minus z, created the 800-pound gorilla of the internet. It basically Google organized the Wild West of the internet, okay? Airline minus fancy meals first class in all planes except 737s is Southwest Airlines, right? Southwest Airlines is very subtractive. Yeah, how many people got here on Southwest? All right. Furniture plus Swedish design plus giant blue warehouse plus cafeteria minus pre-assembly and minus lots of space taken up by assembled furniture equals IKEA. So, we're going to do a little exercise here. Now, I did this at Notre Dame in November, Notre Dame Business School, and I gave them a kind of a condensed evolution 2.0 presentation, and then we went into what I've been showing you here, and we did an exercise, and by the end, as far as I can tell, one of the groups had figured out how to solve a major problem in a big company, okay? And I can't talk about it any further than that because, like Greg said, no, you can't put that on video and, all of that stuff, okay? This is a private business school here. But but the whole presentation's on YouTube now, and it's on my website. And like I am really serious when I say that you can sit on your deck and look carefully at the flowers growing in the flower pot, and you can get ideas about business that might not have otherwise occurred to you. We'll get to this a little later today, but my idea for the Swiss Army knife for advertising came right out of nature and genetics. I just stole it from a tree in Costa Rica. And I haven't had to pay it any royalties or anything. I send positive, happy thoughts to Costa Rica. Hi, this is Perry Marshall. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends.